What's up, YouTube? Andrew back at you again with another episode of Daily Reel. How's it going, guys? Nothing too special, just cruising around. Figured I'd give you guys a cruising video. Nothing too exciting, just a little bit of the car and a little bit of cruising to where I'm at, where I'm from. So here it is, guys. I'm going to put my phone out the window and see if you can hear it, but I don't know if it's going to muffle it or not. Alright, let's see if I can get you guys a good sound of how the car sounds taking off from the outside. Hey guys, I mean, it's not a bad car, it's really not. I haven't done too much work to it since the last time you guys seen the videos of the spark plugs and the wires and the oil change and all that. I mean, it's got a fresh coolant flush, and guys, I hate this. People cannot drive to save their lives. I know I got bad road rage and all, but guys, people just really cannot drive. Oh, guys, by the way, if you like our material and like all the cars and stuff, you guys got to go check out PFI Speed. I like them. I watch a lot of videos. They got some awesome content. It's really fun. They got a lot of dyno sessions and a whole bunch of other stuff. Guys, go check out PFI Speed and also go check out Boosted Boys, B-O-I-Z. They got a bunch of nice cars. They got an MR2. They got a Prelude and a couple Civics. Yeah, go check out PFI Speed and go check out Boosted Boys as well. PFI Speed, if y'all follow any of my material, you guys keep up the great work, great material. I love it. I can't get enough of it. I watch it every day, even at work. Yeah, guys, not a whole lot is going on. I'm still trying to get home and just get through all this traffic. But guys, I guess that's going to do it for this episode. Not too much going on. It's easy and it's not easy to record when you're driving. It's just all the red lights. But anyway, guys, as always, make sure you hit that like button down the bottom. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that share button. Most importantly, smash that subscribe button. Subscribe. As always, guys, keep your head up, keep it real, and keep moving forward.